Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I will be talking about general safety rules for using metal shears. First off, you need to make sure that your work area is clean and free from any debris. It can cause a hazard while you're working. In addition, you want to make sure that you have a well-lit work area as well. When tools are not in use, they should be stored in a designated area. Even better if you can lock them up. That will just help keep people away from them that shouldn't be by them. When carrying a tool, you want to make sure to carry it by the handle with your finger off of the trigger, or you could carry it by the rest of the tool up here. In addition, you never want to carry it by the cord.